Oh, my back! Oh, mamma mia, man, today was a fucking hard day. Hello again. I just came back from my work. I was shooting a little short film. A little short film. It was a first episode of a series, but whatever, that's not what we're here to talk about. What matters is that I'm back, but this took me a whole week of time, which is very, very precious at the moment, because right now it's the 27th of February, and yeah, and we still only have empty shell, and we're supposed to be leaving in a week. So yeah, my god, I have no idea how we're gonna do this. I'm positive though. I think we might be able to. I think for us to be able to, I need to just shut up and get to work. So I got the installation on the ceiling done. I was pretty happy with it. Obviously, it's the kind of thing that you're working with gravity there, so it's like just a lot of tape holding it up, but it's fine because it only needs to hold it up until I actually put the wood for the ceiling on there. Then I went to the store. I spent loads of money on buying wood, and yeah, let's not think about that. Here comes the money. Oh. We have wood. We're not gonna talk about how much it costs. And I also got a jigsaw, which is pretty nice because I fucking love tools. I got to work on putting up the ceiling because I think that's definitely the hardest part, and I just wanted to get it out of the way first. I got these wooden panels. They're 3 millimeters thick, if I'm correct, so they're very, very flexible, and they were pretty cheap, honestly. So I had to get 6 of them, 6 of these panels to do the ceiling and to do the walls and the doors. That was the sort of math that I made. Hopefully it's correct. And then I got some thicker wood for the flooring. Oh my god, I think it's gonna fit. Woo! Jesus Christ. I have no idea how I'm gonna hold this. The moment of the truth. I've just drilled the holes into the wood. I'm praying that the holes are gonna line up with the holes on the ceiling. And yeah, and then I'm gonna be able to just drill them up. I have no idea how I'm gonna be able to hold up the thing and drill it. So I think I'm gonna use this. This is a light stand. It's supposed to be for filmmaking, but life is filmmaking, so let's do this. I was thinking about it, and no matter how much I want this thing to look super fucking perfect, it's gonna have flaws. I don't know anything about carpentry or mechanics or whatever, so this thing is bound to have some flaws, but we'll just look at them as personality, if you know what I mean. So, I ran into a big problem. Would you look at that? Fuck's sake. Yeah, I think I flexed it too much. I was screwing it down and then this happened. And now I was having a little mental breakdown, not gonna lie. But then I thought that because I do still have some of these scraps here, I think I might be able to just cut this part in half and replace this bit rather than having to go to the store and buy a whole thing just to make this bit again. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit frustrating to put that hole on the ceiling, especially after all this work, Jesus Christ. But yeah, it is what it is. Like, I'm bound to run into problems, especially with big projects like this. I've never done anything like this in the past. I should have known that I needed to get big ass washers. I don't know why I just didn't even think of that. But yeah, the ceiling is the worst part, I think, I hope, because we're working against gravity here, so it needs to be holding up everything on the top. But I'm gonna be afterwards putting up the walls, which are also gonna give some sort of support to the sides of the roof, basically. So I'm excited for that, at least. But I still gotta figure out a way of dealing with that fucking wall.